You probably think native speaker talks fast, that you never be able to sound like that. But the truth is that it's not about speed, it's about how they speak. They connect words, shorten them, and even add sounds. And that's why it's so hard to understand them and speak English fluently. But today we're gonna fix that. In this video, we're gonna practice 3 different techniques that native speakers always use. And this would be a shadowing method. You listen and repeat a little bit loud. Listen each technique step by step, and then you would be able to use in your full sentences. By the end, you would be able to understand some phrases. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's practice, first of all, the most common practice, that is shorten words, which is known as contractions. Mostly native speakers use this technique. Let's talk about some examples. Going to, gonna. Going to, gonna. Gonna. Want to, wanna. 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 Got to, gotta. 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 Give me, gimme. 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 Let me, let me. Let me. Let me. Have to, have to. Have to. Have to. Trying to, try now. Try now. Try now. Don't know, don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Kind of, kinda. 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 And the last one here, out of, outer. 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 Right? Give some examples in sentences. I'm gonna call you when get at home. I'm gonna call you when I get home. I'm gonna call you when I get home. I wanna try something new this weekend. I wanna try something new this weekend. I wanna try something new this weekend. You gotta finish this before the deadline. You gotta finish this before the deadline. You gotta finish this before the deadline. Give me a second, I'm almost done here. Give me a second, I'm almost done here. Give me a second, I'm almost done here. Let me check if they are still open. Let me check if they are still open. Let me check if they are still open. I have to wake up early tomorrow morning. I have to wake up early tomorrow morning. I have to wake up really early tomorrow morning. I'm trying to focus, but it's really hard today. I'm trying to focus, but it's really hard today. I'm trying to focus, but it's really hard today. I don't know why he said that. I don't know why he said that. I don't know why he said that. I'm kinda tired, so I might stay in tonight. I'm kinda tired, so I might stay in tonight. I'm kinda tired, so I might stay in tonight. And last one. We're out of time, so let's make a decision now. We're out of time, so let's make a decision now. We're out of time, so let's make a decision now. By the way, you can watch different videos and how to speak English words like native speaker. You may easily check in my outline as well as in playlist. Okay, let's want to Lincoln, and Lincoln as a word of connections, which is a sound of continuous flow. With native speakers speaks in a phrasal verbs, and let's practice here. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. No, pick it up, not pick it up. Take it off. 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 Turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. Not turn it on. Turn it on. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Call him up. Call him up. Call him up. Call him up. Find it out. Find it out. Find it out. Find it out. Leave it here. Leave it here. Leave it here. Leave it here. All right, let's look at some sentences. Pick it up and bring it over here. Pick it up and bring it over here. Pick it up and bring it up over here. Take it off if it's getting too cold. Take it off if it's getting too hot inside. Take it off if it's getting too hot outside. Take it off if it's getting too hot inside. Turn it on so we can see better. Turn it on so we can see better. Turn it on so we can see better. Put it in the box and close it properly. Put it in the box and close it properly. Put it in the box and close it properly. Call him up and ask him what she thinks. Call him up and ask what she thinks. Call him up and ask what she thinks. Find it out before it becomes a problem. Find it out before it becomes a problem. Find it out before it becomes a problem. Leave it here, I'll deal with it later. Leave it here, I'll do with it later. Leave it here, I'll do with it later. Leave it here, you can say I'll deal with it later. The third and the final is adding sounds. Native speakers add some small sounds and it's more interactive. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. I saw it. I saw it. I saw it. I saw it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. It's not your honey. It's a little bit difficult. You may practice. You are. You are. You are. You are. I am. I am. I am. I am. And some examples in sentences. Just do it and stop overthinking. Just do it and stop overthinking. Just do it and stop overthinking. Go on, tell me what happened. Go on, tell me what happened. Go on and tell me what happened. I saw it earlier. I saw it earlier. I saw it earlier. Try it again, a little more slowly. Try it again, a little more slowly. Try it again, a little more slowly. Say it one more time, please. 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 It. Go away for a few days and relax. You were doing a great job today. You are doing a great job today. You are doing a great job today. I'm really happy you came. I'm really happy you came. I'm really happy you came. It's interesting. I hope you will understand and enjoy this video and see you in next video. Thank you.